Go to Daddy.
Come on, buddy. Stand up. No. Okay, walk to mommy. Go on. Go to mommy.
Come on, buddy. Come here, Tony. Good job. Good job. Yay. Can you clap, Daddy? Yay. I love you. Anything to say?
Nope.
Bye-bye. Can we bye? Bye-bye.
Well, I'm taking another chair.
I know. Alright, he loves rearranging the furniture. Toodles!